What's the deal, y'all? This your boy Motor City Neek, man, and I'm checking back with another video. Your boy is in the Caprice, man. It's nice, good, it's good, great weather today, man. The weather looking good. We supposed to have some pretty promising, nice, beautiful weather all week. So your boy in the Caprice, man. I hopped in there. I'm about to go ahead and get the Caprice cleaned up, get this mud washed up, beamed up, looking good for the rest of the week, man. I don't see no rain and no extra crazy Michigan weather, you know what I'm saying, that's gonna mess it up. So hopefully, you know, I go ahead and clean this mug up today, which is a Monday. This video probably gonna pop up later on, you know what I'm saying? But besides that, I think the weather gonna stay good. See, your boy got that Detroit Ink plaque in there. Well, Ink Nation plaque, but you know, I'm representing the Detroit chapter. So this not gonna stay here. Actually, this is going into my Impala. So I just wanted to throw it in there just to see what it looked like, you know what I'm saying? It looked good though, so I'm happy about that. But that one is not gonna stay in here. I'm gonna take that out and put that into the Impala. Pretty much the update with the Impala, you know, they doing their thing with it. So I did catch a sneak peek and a glimpse of it, and it was looking real good, man. I was happy with it, but you know, they gotta, you know, wet sand it, do all that other stuff. So I did have a little sneak peek and see what it looked like. Everything looks good. I like the way it's coming along. So updates with that video coming soon, but you know, this your boy. First time checking your boy out, man. Be sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe. Definitely hit all post notifications, man. Get that turned on so every time I post, you know what I'm saying, you see your boy, you see the videos, man, and you can stay up to date with what I got going on and events and places I go to this summer, man, and you follow my journey with my build. So right now, time to go hit the car wash and get this mud cleaned up. I'll check in with you in a second. All right, y'all. Your boy's at the kids out wash. Time to wash this dirty motherfucker up. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Man. Look at that. Time to get this mug beamed up, get this baby looking good. All that shit dirty, dirty. You know what I mean? I'm gonna take y'all on, let y'all see me beating this joint up. Y'all already know. Alright, Motor City crew. Oops. Your boy got this mug beamed up. Shit, so drop a comment, man. In the comments, let me know what y'all think, man. How that boy do? Look good to me, though. Look at that lips. All right, y'all, Motor City crew, man. Your boy done beamed up the car, man. Got the car looking clean, nice and shiny. You know, hopefully it stay like that. I mean, the weather is promising, man. But, you know, here in Michigan, we got some weird weather, man, where it be the rain, snow, to do all type of crazy stuff. So, man, it is what it is, though. But, you know, your boy got the car cleaned up. So, man, let me know in the comments how I did, man. You know, me, I'm hands-on with it. I also get a lot of questions, too, man, in my videos, DMs, and comments and stuff like that. A lot of people ask when they see me wash my car in the videos why I never use the scrub brush to do the body of the car. I only use the scrub brush, man, to do my wheels, the face of my wheels. I actually don't do the lip. I only do the faces of my wheel to get some of that brake dust off. And I also use it to do like the undercarriage part that's kind of like directly up under the car but somewhat on the side, and like where the tire spray that I use kind of flap on the side. That's the only places I use it on. I actually wax my car pretty often, so I don't want to just strip the wax off of it, because I just do layers and layers of wax, and then, you know, whenever I need to wash it, I just, you know, spray it, hose it, wipe it down and stuff like that. So I never use those brushes on my car because it be having like rocks and stuff like that in it. I really shouldn't probably use it on the face of my rims, but it's just a little easier and convenient for me to kind of just get some of the dirt and brake dust off, you know, and stuff like that. But that's the reason why y'all never see me use that brush on there. For those that be asking the question or inbox me and ask me why I never, you know what I'm saying, brush or use that foam brush on my car. That's the reason why. So, you know, I want to protect my paint, you know, and I ain't trying to put too many swirls or none of that in there. So that's why I do that. But once again, man, that's your boy Motor City Nick, man. I'm about to go ahead and check out. Don't forget, man, hit that subscribe button. Join the Motor City crew, man. I got tons and tons of more footage and stuff, you know what I'm saying, coming along. But, you know, just taking y'all on the journey with me. So once again, it's your boy Motor City Nick, man. Checking out with another video, another car wash video. I'll holla at y'all. Peace. Man, your boy got a little sneak peek update, man, for one of my homeboys in regards to my car, man. Coincidentally, man, he just happened to hit me up just on a regular day, you know, just nothing bad or anything, but he was like, hey, bro, I rode past this collision shop, man, and while I was riding past this collision shop, man, I seen this super clean black Impala SS. Like, this motherfucker is clean. Like, the paint is wet and that mug look good. So, you know, he was kind of going on and on, telling me about it and stuff. And, you know, he's aware that, you know, my Impala's in the paint shop and the collision shop and stuff. So, you know, it's just funny that, you know, ironically, you know, he's riding past the location of where my car is at. So, he's like, man, it look good. I said, yeah, that's my fucking car. You know what I'm saying? Which pretty much he knew, because he know I got a custom hood on it. So he said he was able to get a glimpse of it because they had the car out in front of the collision shop and stuff, man. And he just was telling me what it looked like. So your boy is about to just kind of creep by there. I talked to the collision shop, you know what I'm saying? I talked to him that day, and I was just, you know, just doing an update, not pressing nobody or anything. And they said that, you know, my car would be ready within a couple days and stuff. So, you know, they probably just got to, you know, wet sand and do all that stuff like that, you know, finishing touches. So, it's a couple days out, you know what I'm saying? So another 3 days, 3 or 4 days, you know, maybe earlier too, depending on how they move. But I'm not pressing them when I'm not rushing the process. I want everything, you know, to be done the way I requested it and have everything done right. So, you know, I'm not pressing it, but I am going to drive by there just to get a sneak peek, man. So, you know, I'm going to take y'all along the ride and let y'all see a little sneak peek. But when I drop this video, of course, it's going to be the whole thing. So you're going to see the car regardless. But I ain't dropping this video before I show the car regardless. But this will be a part of that video, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to take y'all along and let y'all check it out. Lord. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.